Truth is, everybody is going to hurt you. You just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. One good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. The day you stop racing is the day you win the race. Money can't buy you life. Never expect God to do for you what you don't do to others. When one door is closed, don't you know, another is open. If something can corrupt you, you are corrupted already. Better to die fighting for freedom than be a prisoner all the days of your life. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver and gold. The biggest man was a baby one time. The biggest coward of a man is to awaken the love of a woman without the intention of loving her. If it takes money to be happy, your search for happiness will never end. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. The most beautiful things are not perfect. They are special. When the root is strong, the fruit is sweet. The problem is people are being hated when they are real, and are being loved when they are fake. Only once in your life, I truly believe, you find someone who can completely turn your world around.